Let's make the Ruth Bader Ginger. To make this drink, I'm going to start with 1.5 ounces of the rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And I'm going to put that in a shaker. 1/2 ounce of ginger liqueur. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed orange juice. 1 teaspoon is something in metrics, which I'll put in the subtitles down below. I think it's 5. Finally, 1 or 2 pinches of ground cardamom. Now, I find 2 pinches to be too much, so 1 is what I'm going to use, but try what you like. Add some ice, and give it a shake. They suggest a stemmed glass. I'm going to use a coupe. You could also use a Nick and Nora or a cocktail glass, but they also said put a couple ice cubes in first, so I'm going to do that. 2 is perfect. 2 is a couple. Just double strain that into your glass. And garnish. Garnish with a twist of orange. Express. Wipe. And a mint leaf. Wake up. Carefully placed, obviously. And there you have it. The Ruth Bader Ginger. Drink for good spirits.